Hi, my name is Elise Butler, and with the year coming to an end, there's several things that people should start thinking about for the new year. Today I'm going to be talking to you about a couple of those things. The four things that I want to discuss with you today are going to include family law divorce issues, moveaways, business interests, as well as trusts. If you're thinking about starting the divorce process, the end of the year might be a great time to do that. The reason for this is that you may not have to split your next year's tax return with your significant other. If you're already in the middle of a divorce process, however, it's important that you try and end that process before December 31st. The reason being is that there can be significant tax consequences as well if that process continues into the new year. Now is also a good time to start thinking about if you plan to move with your child out of state or out of the county. The reason for this is that this process can take a significant amount of time, up to 6 months. And so if you start that process at the beginning of the year, potentially then you'd be able to move at the end of the school year and be ready to start the new school year with your child in your new location. The end of the year is a good time to look at your trust if you already have one drafted. You may also need to update your trust for things such as a new spouse, children that maybe you didn't have when you originally drafted your trust, or if you've purchased a new home. If you don't have a trust already, the new year is a great time to get your financials into order and have that drafted. If you're planning on starting a new business, or if you already have a business but it's not registered with the Secretary of State, the end of the year or the beginning of next year is going to be a great time to do this. The reason for this are there are significant tax consequences with the state of California. It's also a good time to get your business financials in order. If you have any questions or if you're ready to get started on any of the issues that I've discussed today, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd be happy to give you a free consultation. Thank you.